I'm Cheryl Anderson from Canada's South Shore Joint Initiative. I'm standing in the Prince Edward County South Shore Key Biodiversity Area. Our Key Biodiversity Area includes 26 kilometers, the only 26 kilometers of undeveloped land on the North Shore of Lake Ontario. In the winter, globally significant populations of waterfowl use these waters. The Key Biodiversity Area is rich in biodiversity. Globally imperiled alvar and 40 species at risk, such as the Blanding's turtle and the four-leaved milkweed, are in our Key Biodiversity Area. Millions of migrating birds, bats, and monarch butterflies come through every year. South Shore Joint Initiative is working to protect, preserve, and restore our Key Biodiversity Area.